Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Bowman Bearded. Today I'm going to be talking about how to straighten your beard and my morning routine. So stay tuned for that. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I just woke up from a nap because my hair is crazy, my beard's kind of crazy. So I'm going to talk about how I straighten my beard today. Hold on a second though, I'm not going to talk about my hair as much. Throw on a hat here so I look a little presentable for y'all. But you're going to need some tools to straighten your beard and what I do. So I'm going to tell you what I do and what works for me. So I need a blow dryer. I have here the Conair 1875 model, which is it's a pretty cheap hair dryer. It's like 10 or 12 bucks at Walmart. And then I have my trusty Beard Brand comb. I love this comb. It's pretty solid. Doesn't break, doesn't pull or snag. It's a great comb. Then I have here, I'm trying out right now the Mad Vikings Molnir beard oil and balm. Stay tuned for a review on that later. So I'll be using those today as well. So the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is I get my beard wet. My beard's pretty damp right now. Then I just take here a towel and towel dry it. And then the most important step for getting like that super straight beard is your hair dryer. So take my hair dryer on warm, not hot or cool, warm. And then I take it on low, not high, but low. Then you're going to take your comb and you're just going to comb through your beard, following with the hair dryer like so. You want to come right behind it, and that's what's actually going to straighten your beard is the heat from the hair dryer. Sweet. So that straightened my beard out pretty good. Gives it pretty straight there. I don't know if you can see that. Then I take my beard oil. This is a pretty cool one. It's got the pump sprayer on it, which I think is the best delivery method. You just take that in there and just rub that beard oil into your beard. Get it all good and nourished. Don't forget your mustache. Then I'll take some of my trusty beard balm here to get that nice hold all day. Keep your beard straight all day. Rub that in here. Get the mustache. And then you take your beard comb again and just brush through it. Sweet. Now my beard is straight and how I like it. And that's how I do my morning routine. So that's just a quick short video for you guys on how to get your curly beard straight. I know for me that I like to have a straight beard because then it doesn't look as long if it's curled, you know, and all going every which way. I like to look presentable. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and as always, subscribe. And thanks and have a great day.